We're looking at the radial arm saw today. This is a little different than some of the older radial arm saws. One of the danger areas of a radial arm saw is the tendency for it to kick towards you. This saw is made so that you cannot pull it without pulling the trigger, which is right here under my right finger. I'm pulling the trigger and then able to move the saw. And it also will not move any faster than that. So it cannot kick back and take your belly out, thankfully. So that trigger is what allows it to be able to move. Now to turn the saw on, the switch right here in the front turns it on. So I'm going to turn it on. It's going to get loud. I'll turn it on and then pull the trigger and show you how a cut is made. But then you just hit the button again to turn it off. If you try to use the saw and you're not able to move it with pulling the trigger like normally, it may be that the head has been locked down, and even with pulling the trigger it doesn't move. So this just unlocks the carriage so that you can pull and make your cut like normal. And there's other features of the saw. It tilts, it turns, it twists, but would prefer you to come to a class to learn that. This is just how to use the saw in a basic way.